Let's go back to our forecast to talk with Brad. It's been pretty dry lately.
Yeah, I just saw Buncombe County a few minutes ago. They issued a burn ban.
Yeah, they had a pretty big fire outbreak out there. They only got 80 firefighters working on that, but that's going to be a concern this week, guys. We're going to continue to have really dry, windy weather, and with the drought and the fall season, it's just not the drought. Remember, this time of year, vegetation's dormant. We've had a hard freeze now, so everything's going dormant. We're seeing a lot of vegetation drying up. That's the fuel. So this week, it's a little bit cooler, but still breezy tomorrow, but the rest of the week, it's going to be mild. Temperatures probably back in the 70s, and that's going to really dry things out. Now tonight, certainly crisp and cool. Those temperatures do fall back into the 30s, so it's going to be one of those cold mornings, but by the afternoon, full sunshine, breezy west wind. We should be back in the mid and upper 60s, so still above average for this time of year. Now today, the winds were pretty gusty. You see some of the peak wind gusts. Look at it up in the mountains. We saw a gust over 50 miles per hour across the Piedmont near 30. That led to the heightened fire danger, and I'll tell you, it's still going to be an issue tomorrow, even though temperatures will be a little bit cooler. We're still going to have the gusty winds around, a very low humidity, less than 25%, and the dry fuel, the brushes, the leaves, all those twigs, everything that's drying out right now, that is definitely going to lead to that heightened fire danger. That was a legit dry cold front. Move through, no rain with it, just the windy conditions. High pressure builds in for the rest of the week. We could have a system pass to our north on Tuesday. That likely stays up there. Now, could it bring us a few showers? Possibly, but it looks like the air is going to be so dry, it's really going to struggle to get in here. I think our best rain chances will start this weekend, maybe into Sunday. So that will be the next chance of rain going into next week. The temperatures as well, way above average. Look at this. We're going to soar back into the mid 70s. So we had that cold snap for 2 days, and now everything is straight above normal going into the weekend and the early part of next week. Our biggest chance of rain will come with that weekend system right there, moving through Saturday and Sunday. You see it marching through roughly right around Monday. So right around 5 o'clock, you see that rain chance. But then notice next week, we get closer to Thanksgiving going into next week. Right now, the big travel day on Wednesday, it's starting to trend dry with high pressure. So we don't want to see rain on that day, but boy, we could use some. Your Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast shows those temperatures slowly getting warmer and warmer. Our average highs getting closer to 60, but we're going to spend most of the next 7 days closer to that 70 to 75 degree mark with a good chance of rain possibly by this upcoming Sunday.
All right, Brad, thanks for that look. And by the way, things may warmed up a little bit, but cooler temperatures will be back as the seasons shift. Brad will have his annual winter weather forecast. That'll be Tuesday on WCNC Plus, but you have to tune in at 6:30 p.m. over on WCNC Plus to learn more about what winter will head our